I'm gonna do this quick comparison video. Two different golf balls that I use. This is the Wilson Triad, and also I'm gonna compare it to the Callaway Supersoft. The Supersoft is a two-piece construction, whereas the Wilson is a three-piece. Swing speed, this is for probably lower swing speeds, probably beginners or high handicap. This one here is higher, I say mid to high swing speeds. My current swing speed is about a 95, and so I prefer this one just a little bit more. But in the winter time, when I need a little bit more roll on the ball, Callaway Supersoft is a good one to check out. But this, as far as the wedge, if you like having a little bit more spin on the ball on the wedge, this is a good one to have. Where if you want it, if you just more like hitting the front edge of the green, wanting it to release some, Callaway Supersoft is a good one. Who is each ball for? I would say this is more for the beginner or high handicap, whereas this one's for the mid handicap, or I say probably 10 to 20 handicap. And swing speed, if you're under a 90, you're probably better off doing the Callaway Supersoft. And if you're over, say, a 95, I would go with the Wilson Triad. That's kind of probably the mid-range speed. So once you get anything over, say, 105, you probably would look for a different ball than that one. But both of these good balls. But like I said, check them out. If you want a little bit more release on the green, go with the Callaway. If you want a little bit more spin, go with the Wilson. You know, like I said, this three-piece construction, whereas this is a two-piece. So if you got any comments or which one you prefer, leave it in the comments. And I appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel.